Hey folks, quick video about my Garmin. I think I've had it for about a year, maybe a year and a half now. And today I was wearing it and this thing came off. It just snapped, as you can see there. And I'm looking at it and I noticed here it was splitting. I don't know how in the world this happened. I guess the rubber on this thing is drying out or something. I'm usually pretty good at taking care of these things, but it just dried up. And I looked at the rest of the watch and I noticed another problem right there, which you can see. I'll just zoom in. So it took me by surprise because honestly I've been wearing this thing every day for a little while, and I did not notice this. I've been treating it quite gently, and that just looks like dried rubber. I'm not sure how that ended up happening. You can see it cracking there as well. So just a word of warning. Unfortunately, these rubber bands especially will tend to crack, and it wasn't very long. Now the good news is this thing will pop right out, and I'm sure that on eBay you can probably find replacement bands for next to nothing, and different colors and so on. So I'm gonna start looking for something to buy, but I just wanted to let you know that my experience so far with this Vivofit, what is this, the Vivofit 4, has been that the band looks like it doesn't last much longer than about a year and a half or two. So be prepared to have to change it, and we'll see what kind of cheaper options there are out there. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and take care for now.